Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is a freeway earning website, and this is a website. This website pay you Litecoin 30 Satoshi every 1 minute and instantly pay you in your Faucetpay. Go to your Faucetpay, copy your Litecoin wallet address first of all. This is your Litecoin wallet address. Just click it, copy it, and come here, paste it. After that, solving this little capture, just click it and solve it capture. After solving the capture, solve this little capture too in the down and capture and wait 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, you can get your reward instantly in your Faucetpay. 3, 2, 1, and just click get reward. This website pay you instantly in your Faucetpay. That's the easy and that's the best way you can earn your free cryptocurrency instantly in your Faucetpay. And you can see this website pay me instantly in my Faucetpay. I go to my Faucetpay, go to overview, show you this website pay me or not. And you can see this website pay me instantly in my Faucetpay. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is a freeway earning website, and this website link available in the description. Bye bye for now.